How to download and install Bloodstrike on your mobile device or tablet. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. First of all, in order to download the Bloodstrike game on your Android smartphone or tablet, you'll first need to go ahead and connect your device with a stable internet. Once you are done, go ahead and open up your Play Store and in the search bar type in Bloodstrike and search. Look for the Bloodstrike FPS for all application from NetEase Games and tap on the install button. Now all you need to do is to wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Wait for the download to complete, and after it is done you can tap the play button to start playing the game on your Android mobile device or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.